Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the upper left door hinge bushing on this KitchenAid refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw to detach the hinge cover. You can use the small flathead screwdriver to pry out the old bushing, if still intact, and detach it from the wires and water supply tube. To install the new bushing, push the wires and water tube into the slot, then insert the bushing into the hole in the hinge. Realign the hinge cover and thread the screw to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.